So you install Resident Evil Village, and you will get this error on your screen, that your disk does not have enough space to save the game. So we can fix that error, so make sure to watch this video till the end. I also searched about this error on YouTube. They told you a solution for this game. That solution is for the deluxe version of this game. Old version of this game, that's the deluxe version. For example, you create multiple folders. Then you create the Steam folder and then the user data folder, and then create folders to tell the system what the game's save files are. That's for the deluxe version. First of all, I want to show you the error. I'll run the game to show you the error. So that's the problem I show you in the beginning in this video. Your disk doesn't have enough space. You try to close it, but it didn't. Close. Now you have to close the game. After closing the game, now you have to then go to any browser. Then you have to type Steam download in the address bar. You can download Steam from FileHippo, or you can download it from the official website of Steam. You need to download a version of Steam, old or new. It does not matter. You have to install it in your PC. Have to download and just install. So I have already installed it. After installing it, click on OK. Now let's try whether our game is working or not. Now you can see your game is working. So this is our short video on this topic. I searched there is a lot about this error, but I did not find anything useful. I found the solution on Reddit.
So here is the solution for Gold Edition version of Resident Evil Village, which I told you in this video.